Have you ever wondered how you can make money from ProductTube? Well, let's dive into that fascinating world today. ProductTube is an innovative digital platform that's transforming the way businesses showcase and market their products. It's a virtual stage where entrepreneurs, innovators, and creative minds can present their unique offerings to a global audience. And the best part? It's not just about exposure, it's about turning that exposure into a tangible income stream. In today's digital age, ProductTube has become a relevant and powerful tool in the e-commerce industry, offering immense potential for those daring enough to tap into it. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or a budding innovator, ProductTube can be your ticket to financial success. So, are you ready to discover how to transform your innovative products into a profitable venture using ProductTube? Stay tuned as we unravel the steps to making money on ProductTube. The first step to making money on ProductTube is setting up your account. Let's dive right into the process. Open your favorite browser and type in www.producttube.com in the search bar. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign Up button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and you'll be redirected to a registration page. Now, this is where it gets interesting. You'll need to fill in some basic information. Start with your full name. Make sure to use your real name or the name you want to be associated with your brand. Next, provide a valid email address. This will be used for all communication related to your account, so make sure it's one you check regularly. You'll then be prompted to create a password. A strong password is essential for keeping your account secure. Try to include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Once you've entered your password, confirm it by typing it in again in the next field. Now let's talk about your username. This is the name that viewers will see when they visit your channel. It's a part of your online identity, so choose wisely. You can use your own name, the name of your business, or something completely unique. Remember, it should be easy to remember and reflect your brand's personality. Moving on, you'll see a section for profile information. This includes a profile picture and a bio. A clear, high-quality profile picture can contribute significantly to your channel's visibility and credibility. As for the bio, it's your chance to tell viewers about yourself or your brand. Keep it concise, engaging, and relevant. Finally, agree to the terms and conditions and hit the Create Account button. And voila, you've just set up your ProductTube account. Remember, a well-optimized profile is crucial for attracting viewers and establishing credibility. Spend some time making your profile the best it can be. It's your virtual business card after all. Now that your account is set up, let's move to the next step. Quality content is the backbone of any successful ProductTube account. If you want to make money on ProductTube, you need to create something that your audience not only wants to watch, but also finds valuable. You see, creating quality content isn't just about having a great camera or a fancy editing software. It's about understanding your audience and their needs. It's about delivering value and making an impact. And this is where the real work begins. So how do you create content that is both engaging and valuable? Well, it all starts with understanding your target audience. You need to know who they are, what they want, and how your content can help them. This means doing your research, asking questions, and really digging into what makes your audience tick. Once you've got a clear understanding of your audience, you can start to create content that speaks to them. This might mean creating tutorials, sharing your expertise, or simply providing entertainment. The key is to find a balance between what your audience wants and what you can deliver. Now let's talk about the quality of your content. While it's important to deliver value, it's equally important to deliver it in a way that's engaging. This means paying attention to things like your video quality, your audio quality, and your overall presentation. Remember, you're not just delivering content, you're delivering an experience. Of course, creating quality content also means being consistent. You can't just post one great video and expect to make money. You need to keep delivering value again and again to build trust with your audience and keep them coming back for more. And finally, don't be afraid to experiment. Try different formats, different topics, different styles, see what works and what doesn't. Remember, creating quality content is a process, and it's one that requires constant learning and growth. With quality content, you're one step closer to making money on ProductTube. So get out there, start creating, and see where your creativity can take you. And remember, the more value you deliver, the more successful you'll be. Your content is as good as the number of people it reaches. So how do you expand your reach and build your audience on ProductTube? It's not rocket science, but it does require a strategic approach. Firstly, don't limit yourself to only ProductTube. Promote your content on other social media platforms as well. This doesn't mean just posting a link. Make it interactive. Use snippets of your videos on platforms like Instagram or TikTok to pique interest. Tease upcoming content on Twitter or Facebook. The goal is to create a buzz and drive traffic to your ProductTube channel. Next, remember that building an audience is not a one-way street. Engage with your viewers, respond to comments on your videos, answer questions, and even consider asking your viewers what they'd like to see next. This not only builds a sense of community, but also makes your audience feel valued. They're more likely to stick around and even recommend your channel to others. Another strategy to consider is collaboration. Partner with other ProductTube creators who have a similar audience. This could be a guest appearance, a joint video, or even a shout-out. This exposes your content to a new set of viewers who might not have found your channel otherwise. Don't underestimate the power of consistency either. Regular uploads keep your channel fresh and give viewers a reason to keep coming back. It also improves your visibility, as the ProductTube algorithm favors active channels. Lastly, consider running contests or giveaways. This can be an effective way to boost engagement and attract new viewers. Just make sure to follow ProductTube's guidelines to avoid any hiccups. Building an audience takes time and effort, but it's worth it. Every new viewer is a potential subscriber, and every subscriber is a potential customer. So keep pushing, keep engaging, and most importantly, keep creating quality content. Remember, a larger audience means more potential for earnings. Now, let's talk about the most exciting part: making money. Once you've set up your account, created quality content, and built an audience, the next step is to monetize your content. This is where the magic happens, where your passion project turns into a revenue stream, and where ProductTube truly shines. Firstly, let's discuss advertisements. ProductTube allows you to place ads within your videos. You've probably seen these before, a short clip at the beginning, middle, or end of a video. Advertisers pay ProductTube to display these ads, and in turn, ProductTube shares a portion of that revenue with you, the creator. It's a win-win. Next, we have sponsorships. This is where a company pays you directly to promote their product or service in your video. The key to successful sponsorships is authenticity. It's important to only promote products or services that you genuinely believe in and that align with your content. This not only maintains your credibility but also ensures that your audience is more likely to engage with the sponsored content. Finally, there's affiliate marketing. This is when you promote a product or service and provide a unique affiliate link or code. If someone makes a purchase using your link or code, you'll earn a commission. Again, authenticity is key. Promote products and services that you believe in and that are relevant to your content. Remember, monetization isn't just about making money, it's about creating a sustainable business model for your content creation. It's about maintaining the balance between providing value to your audience and earning income. Also, it's important to note that different types of content and audiences may respond better to different monetization methods. Test out different strategies, analyze your results, and adjust accordingly. Lastly, always keep your audience in mind. Your viewers are the reason you're able to monetize in the first place. Always strive to create content that provides value to them, and they'll be more likely to support your monetization efforts. Monetizing your content is the final step to making money on ProductTube. Let's quickly run through the key points we've covered today. We kicked things off by introducing you to the world of ProductTube. It's a lucrative platform where you can channel your creativity into cash. Following that, we dove into the nuts and bolts of setting up your ProductTube account. It's a straightforward process, but remember, it's your first step towards your entrepreneurial journey. Next, we explored how to create quality content. It's not just about making videos, it's about creating value and engaging your audience with your unique perspective. After that, we discussed strategies to build your audience. It's not an overnight process, but with consistency and authenticity, you can create a community around your content. Finally, we delved into monetizing your content. With smart strategies and a little patience, you can start earning from your videos. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to making money on ProductTube. Start today and watch your digital wallet grow.